Good morning students. Today I'll be sharing a video with you all that is based on your lesson number 6 MS Excel Introduction. We have already discussed this chapter. हम लाइव क्लासेस में भी इस पे डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियोस भी इस चैप्टर पे बेस्ड आपको सेंड कर दिया एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. This is your smart class presentation. Okay, I am sending this video to you all so that you all can have a more clear picture of the topic. So you only have to watch this video. आपको सिर्फ इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखना है ताकि आप इसको अच्छे से समझ सकें. Okay, so here we are starting with the chapter. Wait. Watch this video carefully. It is based on your introduction part of it.
In the early 1980s, most organizations and professionals used manual systems for work execution. At times, the tasks at hand were intimidating due to their sheer magnitude, and the manual systems made matters worse. As an example, imagine tabulating a 5,000-line bank statement for a company every week using only manual calculations or a simple calculator. In another intimidating task, consider maintaining a record of 1,000 employees in a company in a manual ledger and electronic typewriters. The scenario started changing from early 1990s. Computers were introduced to perform most of the mundane manual tasks in organizations. This ushered in an era of time-efficient and smart work. Almost all the intimidating office tasks became faster and more efficient through the use of computer softwares. The most important software involving calculations is a spreadsheet or a worksheet. Microsoft introduced MS Excel as part of the MS Office suite. It is a smart and useful tool used by companies and individuals with ease. It allows the user to enter, calculate, manipulate, and analyze set of numbers. An MS Excel sheet is comprised of worksheet and ribbon. Let us learn about the components of a worksheet. First component is row number, where each row is assigned a Next component is column letter, where each column is assigned a letter to identify it. Next component is cell, which is a unit of worksheet where data such as numbers, text, formulas, etc. can be entered. Cell pointer specifies the active cell by showing a boundary around the cell. Range of cells is a contiguous group of cells that selects a particular area in rectangular shape. Status bar is used to display the status, condition of particular file, and updating of specific settings, etc. Let us now learn about the elements of MS Excel ribbon. First component of ribbon is Home tab. It is active by default in MS Excel. It has the features of formatting text and cell, such as changing paragraph and font. It also has basic spreadsheet formatting elements. Insert tab provides options like illustrations, charts, spark lines, etc. to be inserted in the spreadsheet. Page Page Layout tab is used for adjusting the page by using options like Page Setup, Scale to Fit, Themes, etc. Formulas tab provides options to create formulas. Data tab provides options like sorting, filtering, analyzing, and grouping data. View tab provides options for viewing the worksheet in various styles, layouts, views. Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. Spreadsheets contain data cells which consist of tables of values present in rows and columns. It can be used for mathematical calculation using both simple and complex arithmetic functions. Having introduced to the various elements of an Excel sheet, let us now learn to use these elements. As discussed earlier, an Excel worksheet is a file made of rows and columns that help sort, arrange, and calculate the data. A worksheet is also called as a spreadsheet. Let us now see an example. Enter random numerical values in column A of the worksheet. Select column A. Under Data tab, click on Sort icon. The random values are sorted in ascending order. Similarly, we can arrange the values in the descending order. Enter the formula to add the selected numbers. We now study rows and columns in Excel. Rows are horizontal in an Excel spreadsheet. Each row is identified by number. Number of rows in an Excel spreadsheet may exceed over 1 million. Row numbers are labeled as A1, B1 and C1, etc. Columns are vertical cells in an Excel spreadsheet. Each column is identified by a letter in the column header, starting with column A and running through to column XFD. An intersection of a row and column forms a rectangular cell. A selected cell shows a rectangular highlight that indicates the active cell in a spreadsheet program. By using the arrow keys on the keyboard or pointing and clicking on the desired cell, you can move the pointer. The cell selected for entering values and the cell containing cell pointer is called current cell. Range of cells is the extent of selected cells. It may contain a single cell or a group of cells, but must form a rectangle to be valid. In Excel spreadsheet, colon symbol is the range indicator. Status bar is the bottom of MS Excel. It displays status on options that are selected to appear on the status bar of cells. Date and time and error messages are also displayed in status bar. Ribbon is the user interface element created by Microsoft. It interfaces and combines the tabs and groups into a single floating pane. By default, the ribbon is located at the top of the screen and is customized for each application and contains commands specific to the program. The ribbon consists of tabs and groups. The tabs on the ribbon are File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Pens. The ribbon groups include Clipboard, Font, Alignment, Number, Styles, Cells, and Editing. Microsoft has two versions of MS Excel. Though the functions are the same in both the versions, Excel 2010 has more enhanced features in formatting and is more powerful in many aspects. Also, the look and feel of MS Excel 2010 is more improved than MS Excel 2007. MS Excel 2010 has better macro function when compared to that of MS Excel 2007. A worksheet is a grid of cells made up of rows and columns. Multiple worksheets can be combined under a file known as workbook. A workbook is the file in which you enter and store related data. Each workbook can contain many worksheets. By default, you see there are 3 worksheets in an Excel workbook, but you can add more if required.
This is 3 by default. There are 3 worksheets in Excel 2010, but we are discussing, or we have discussed about 2013. In that, by default only 1 worksheet is there. You can add more of the worksheet using the plus icon.
The default tab is the Home tab. It helps to return to the Home section. The Home tab allows you to change document settings such as the font properties, add bullets, add a numbered list, adjust styles, and other common features. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.
What we have learned in this video, we have learned about the components of MS Excel, different components of MS Excel. Then we have learned how to enter and store related data and how to add more of the worksheets. Then we have seen the comparison of MS Excel 2010 and 2007. It is of no use, but for knowledge you can just view it. Okay, so this is all about MS Excel introduction. In the next video we'll start with a new chapter. Thank you.